I dislike when people show up at my house unannounced. This has happened many times when people have shown up at my house without calling first. I have spoken to them about it, but they keep doing it. So I have started to put my foot down. For example, I was talking to someone overseas on the phone. A week later, she showed up at my gate. She didn't tell me that she was planning to visit Jamaica, which is fine with me. People don't have to tell me that they're coming to Jamaica. However, she should have told me that she was coming to my house. I was busy at the time. It was after 4 p.m. and I had just come in from work. I was preparing dinner for the family and doing other work, basically multitasking. And there she was, standing at my gate. She said she doesn't like telling people when she's coming to Jamaica. That's fine, but you should tell me that you're coming to my house. In fact, you should ask me if you can come to my house. I told her, I'm busy. And with that, I went inside. I was so upset. It seems to be only Jamaicans who live overseas who do this. They act as if Jamaica is the worst place. I think it's rude and disrespectful to show up at someone's house without telling them. If you don't trust me enough to tell me that you're in Jamaica and will be coming to my house, then don't come to my house. It's as simple as that. I will not drop what I'm doing to entertain you. Furthermore, I'm an introvert, so 99% of the time, I'm not in the mood to chat. It is rude to show up at someone's house unannounced, especially if you know they are busy. It is important to respect other people's time and privacy.